What's something people don't know about Jamaican culture? Hey, everyone. Today I'm diving into something truly special, the heartbeat of Jamaica, dance and culture. In Jamaica, dance isn't just a pastime, it's a way of life. From the moment kids can walk, they start learning famous dances. Imagine being at a school where regular dance performances are as common as math classes. So why is dance so essential in Jamaica? Let me take you on a little history lesson. In the days of slavery, dance was a form of resistance and expression for the enslaved Africans. It was a way to keep their spirits alive and preserve their cultural identity. Over the years, this tradition has evolved and is now a vibrant part of Jamaican culture. One of the most iconic forms of dance in Jamaica is the reggae dance. Born out of the Rastafarian movement, reggae isn't just about the music, it's about the rhythm of life. The dance moves are smooth, soulful, and full of life. You'll often see kids mimicking these moves, almost before they can speak. Then there's dancehall, a high-energy, street-style dance that's all about attitude and creativity. Dancehall isn't just a dance, it's a form of storytelling. Kids in Jamaica grow up watching music videos and live performances, picking up the latest moves and adding their own twist. Dancing at school isn't just for fun. It's a way to build community, teach discipline, and celebrate Jamaican heritage. Schools often have dance clubs and competitions where students showcase their talent and learn from each other, so it's a source of pride and a way to strengthen bonds. Couples dancing is also a big part of Jamaican culture. Whether it's a slow, sensual dance or a lively, upbeat one, it's all about connection and expression. You can see couples dancing at weddings, parties, and even on the streets during festivals. So why does dance hold such a strong importance in everyday life in Jamaica? It's simple. Dance is a universal language that transcends barriers. It brings people together, tells stories, and keeps traditions alive. In Jamaica, dance isn't just about the steps, it's about the soul. It's a reflection of the Jamaican spirit, resilient, joyful, and full of life. When you see a Jamaican dancing, you're not just watching a performance, you're witnessing a piece of their heart. So next time you hear a reggae beat, don't just tap your foot, get up and dance. Feel the rhythm, embrace the culture, and let the heartbeat of Jamaica move you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into Jamaican dance and culture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you next time.